Hi, Eddie. You ready to go to the beach?
That's excited hands right there. He said,
This
yeah.
is his first time at the beach.
Woohoo!
The beach, and we couldn't leave the beach because Miss Jennifer lost the keys.
We looked for 10 minutes and it was in the same place that she checked the very first time. Her and Demi.
Hey, I think you even checked too.
No, I didn't check that.
Stop playing. And then Sharissa had to dig the car out because the car was stuck in the sand. And then she reversed in the wrong way.
At least I got us out.
I'm letting her drive my car because she was like, please let me drive your car.
Wait till Eddie finds out.
He'll be okay. He'll be all right. Yeah, it was hilarious. And then these people had to direct us how to get out, and then other people were running in the way, and oh my god.
All these children.
Children. I like that. I like that. Children. So now we're heading home. And these guys are awesome babysitters. I'm telling you, like, they really helped me out here.
It's mainly
Demi and Sharissa. Sharissa was with baby boy, and then Demi was with baby girl. Now she's taking care of baby boy back there. But they actually are willing to watch my kids tonight so that me and Eddie can go out to dinner and a movie. Oh, only a movie.
I mean, y'all can, but y'all just gotta leave at 7.
I'm just adding that in.
Fast food and a movie. Or y'all leave at 7, do the fast food, go to a 10:20.
And then Sharissa was thirsty. So all I had was 1 bottle of water, and I'm like weird that I don't like people drinking out of my water. So we had another empty bottle of water, so I started pouring it, and I was filling, and she's driving on the sand, so mind you, all this water is spilling in the car, and they're like laughing at me. Is he sleeping?
No.
Oh, he's awake with Maya. Did you have fun at the beach? Yeah, you want to go again?
Was doing like this.
No, that was Sharissa. That was Titi Rissa that was doing that.
On our way home from the beach, and this one is knocked out. And so is baby Eddie.
It looks like it's gonna start pouring. Look at that sky, guys. Looks like horrible. The life of Florida. 1 hour it's sunny, the other hour it's Hurricane 6 outside. Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Eddie and Maya had so much fun at the beach. I had fun at the beach with them, and Demi and Sharissa. We had a lot of fun. And this was actually footage that was taken on Saturday. Maya keeps asking me every day, can we go to the beach, Mommy? Can we go to the beach, Mommy? So I'm gonna have to go to the beach when I come back from New York. Yes, I am going to New York. I'm going by myself to go for my grandmother's funeral and her viewing and everything like that. She doesn't know that I'm leaving. But yeah, I don't know. I'm debating if I should even take any footage over there, or if yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know. Well, anyways, I love you guys, and we'll check you out later.